Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the route planner option on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your homepage and then click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And after that, tap on the third option, which is Route Planner. After that, you should type in your departure point into the A from box. So type in your departure point and then your destination should be selected from this recommendations section, or you can type it in. And as you can see, here is your route. It might take a few seconds. So here you can see the live results. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out in more detail. So here you can see the summary, including the duration, number of stations and changes. So here you can see the detailed description of your route. If you tap on the map option, you can see it marked with the green and orange circles. Your departure and destination points are indicated on the map, and here you can also check it out on the Street Map view. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.